const. Okay, let's start with onboarding. Onboarding is equal to onboarding is equal to this is actually we call it arrow function, right? And this one we need to export it at the end of the day at the bottom. This one on the body. And I'm going to let you know something else. What I've done, because I found that the style is what we are doing as CSS here, but I found it is cluttering such that this view is having a lot of inline CSS, and I found out another way of not making it so cluttered with the spaghetti code, and I've found out that I can separate this. I just say style.header, whereby that is done through this. Check on that. Style is equal to, when I come back down here, I found that const, I say styles now, and then I say equal to, you can say style sheet dot create, and when you are creating, you call this method and objects, and you open for the objects, whereby you can now do as much as you wish. We have the object one for the container, we have another object for the SWIPER and their properties, we have this object having their properties. Remember this CSS, but what I want us, it is to check here